Yo, what's up guys? And in today's video, I will be showing you how to play Rival, how to go into a mobile server in Rivals. For this, you will need to have the old version of Roblox, like not the new one that's blue. Let me show you the new one. This is how the old one looks like, and this is how the new one looks like. So you will need to have the old one, and I don't think you can really get the old one. I'm pretty sure you already, like, if we were playing Roblox before the game updated, you would have the old one. I think that on Windows it still shows it for me. If it doesn't show it for you, just tell me in the comments. But yeah, anyways, first, after you have the old one, you will need to have a touchscreen laptop for this touchscreen laptop. So if you don't have a touchscreen laptop, I'm sorry, but it won't work. So what you're gonna first want to do is go on Rivals. For now, use your mouse and keyboard. Once you're in Rivals, let it load up, and you're in Rivals. Once you're in Rivals, start using the touch screen like this. So yeah, now like you can see I'm using the touch screen. You can now be able to click on this mobile server. Click on the mobile hub and it'll teleport you to the mobile hub, and then start using your keyboard and mouse again. And look, I'm on a computer on a mobile server only. Yeah, but you need to have a touch screen for this. Like, everybody's a mobile player on this, like every single person. Let me show you. Even if I go on a dual mobile. Yeah, so this is a mobile server. Yeah, that's how you do it. But I don't know if it's like a glitch or something or a bug. But yeah, but you need to have a touchscreen computer for this to work. So if you have a touchscreen computer, you can just do this. And you need to have the old version of Roblox. The new version of Roblox is called Roblox Player. The old one is called Roblox. Like, it's actually called Roblox. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, and I'm level 135 now, and I have a 378 streak. Yeah, I've been grinding. Anyways, bye!